Hello and welcome, my friend, to this serene getaway where you will find peace and relaxation. I'm so glad you are here. Life can be overwhelming with stress and anxiety creeping in from all directions. It's easy to get caught up in the chaos, but it's essential to take a step back, pause, and breathe. Allow yourself to let go of your responsibilities, if only for a few moments. When you're ready, begin to settle yourself in. Make some gentle movements. And take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow any tension to start releasing from your body and mind. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. And allow any areas of tension to soften and relax. It may feel nice to gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Relax your jaw and the muscles in your cheeks. Soften your face. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow your arms to relax on the thighs or down beside you. Feel the weight of your hips on the ground, connecting you to this present moment. With each breath, allow yourself to settle deeper into this peaceful environment. Let your shoulders relax. Notice the sensations on your skin, the temperature of the air. Rise and fall of your lungs as you breathe in and out. Your nervous system is beginning to calm with your smooth and rhythmic inhalation and exhalation. Breathe in calm, healing energy. And exhale, release, let it go. Imagine a warm, soothing light beginning to fill your body, starting at the crown of your head. As the light travels down through each body part, feel the warmth of this soothing light. As this light travels down to your toes, it dissolves any remaining tension or stress. Feel this light becoming warmer and brighter throughout your entire body with each breath. Allow yourself to relax even deeper with each exhalation, letting go, letting go, letting go. Take a deep breath in, trusting that you are safe, you are supported, and you are enough. Allow yourself to let go of any worries or concerns, and simply be present in this moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I let go of all stress and anxiety, making space for peace and calm. I release all worries and concerns, trusting that everything will work out for my highest good. I am free from the weight of responsibility, and I choose to relax and unwind. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow any remaining tension to release from your body. Remember, this peace and relaxation are always within you, waiting to be accessed. Take this feeling of calm with you throughout your day and return to it whenever you need it. If you enjoyed this guided meditation, please subscribe to our channel for more peaceful and inspirational content. Your support means the world to us, and we're so grateful for your presence. The more comments, likes, and shares we receive on each video, the more we can expand our reach and share healing and positive energy with even more people. So please take a moment to engage with us and help us spread love and light. Thank you for your support and for meditating with me today. Until next time, namaste.